Indian Air Force Day Quiz. When did Indian Air Force Day celebrated in India? October 8. Indian Air Force Day is first established on which year? 1932. Where was the headquarters of Indian Air Force? New Delhi. What is the motto of Indian Air Force? Touch the sky with glory. Who is the father of Indian Air Force? Air Marshal Subroto Mukerjee. Who was the first female Indian Air Force pilot? Avani Chaturvedi. Who was the first Indian Air Force chief? Subroto Mukerjee. Which country has more female pilots? India. Female pilot in Air Force is called as aviatrix. What is the role of Indian Air Force? Aerial warfare. Which is the biggest Indian Air Force station? Indian Air Force Station. How many Air Force stations are in India? 60. Which is the biggest Air Force in the world? United States Air Force. Who is the Commander-in-Chief of Indian Air Force? President Ram Nath Kovind. Which was the first Indian developed jet aircraft? HF-24 Mat. Which year HF-24 Mat was developed? 1960. Who was the lead designer of HF-24 Mat? Tang. Which company was developed HF-24 Mat? Hindustan Aircraft Limited. Who was the first Indian Chief of Air Staff? Subroto Mukerjee. How many operational commands in Indian Air Force? 5. How many functional commands are there in IAF? 2. Who was the first and the only 5-star rank officer of Indian Air Force? Arjun Singh. Which animal is the number 1 squadron of the Indian Air Force name? Royal Bengal Tiger. Who is the first woman Air Marshal of Indian Air Force? Padma Bandubadi. Operation Maitri was a rescue and relief operation held in Nepal. Operation Maitri was held on 2015. Full form of MMRCA. Medium Multi-Role Combat Aircraft. Which is the largest commander of IAF? Western Air Command. Which is the first presidential aircraft? Lockheed VC-121 Constellation. Thank you.